much the home screen of the AI application. One of the very powerful AI app here. So once you do set up, sign up on the application here, you have the option that the scan to solve, which you can use on next question or any question, homework you may have. And as well, you have the image generation section here, web search section here. You can search web or ask AI for information. Pretty much research will for you and so forth, real time. So down here, you do have the option to type what you want to ask the AI. You want to ask the AI what's today's president, whatever the cases, you guys. Well, down here, you have the plus option here where you can pretty much go ahead and upload your photos. Maybe you want to ask the AI to describe a photo for you, identify this photo, search the web for this image here, where you can find it on Amazon or wherever the case is you may want to find that image, or just edit the image for you. Either way that works. Here you have the vault option. This is pretty much the vault feature that this application offers, where you can store images on the AI application. And as well, you have the camera option to take pictures right away. And as well, you have the photo option here to select photos from a gallery. This here is pretty much upload documents from your device. So that's really pretty much it for that. Here you have the option, or should I say the focus mode. Let's say you may want something directly from the internet, you may want to enable the web mode here, and the AI will pretty much do its thing. As well, you have this option here, which allows you to select which AI model you want to use. So you have quite a lot of AI models here, which you can use. As you can see here, Gemini 3.0 Pro, a lot of them. Most likely be very popular AI models. So you can pretty much scroll and look for what you want. And do keep in mind, some of these AI models you're going to need a pro subscription or premium subscription for. The ones with the Chrome icon here, you're going to need subscription to use those. But the ones without the Chrome icon, you'll be able to use for free. So for example, this one here doesn't have any Chrome icon, and this one here has, but you can use this for free. So I'm going to select on that option. So down here as well, you have the option to let it select the model, or should I say the advanced section, based on what you ask the AI. So we'll select the model best suited to give you the best answer based on the question or whatever you're asking the AI basically. As well, you can send a voice note or message with your voice. Instead of typing, you can send a message by just using the mic option there. So that's really pretty much it for this section here. As I said before, very easy to use, nothing hard for you to understand. And at the top here is pretty much where you go to get your pro subscription. And as well, this option here pretty much shows you your chat history. All the interaction that you have had with the AI will be shown in this section here. And again, as well, go back in this section here and check the chat that you may want to check in this section here as well. So if you do tap on the Go Pro option here, you can pretty much see their subscription prices, pretty much everything that they offer basically. So you get unlimited ChatGPT with the top models and some other features as well. So you can see your monthly subscription, $20, year subscription is $150, and down here you can see pretty much what we're getting for the Pro feature. So that's really pretty much for that. And you can tap on this option here, will show you your profile pic, nothing much. And here you can go here to tap on the AI generate image section, or you can just tap on the create image section here. And here go ahead and tap on the explore option. Here be able to, in this section, be able to create your AI images. And as well, you can select down here where you can see the model that you want to use to generate your AI images. So do keep in mind, some of these models going to need a premium or pro subscription. So as you can see here, there's only 4 options available, or should I say 4 models available. And do keep in mind as well, they're going to take different amount of credits or points for you to use these models. So that's really pretty much it for that. And as you can see here, these are other AI images generated by other people on the application. So you can either go ahead and download it, you can maybe go ahead and copy the prompt that they have used to generate the image, as well you can go ahead and share different families or whatever cases. So you do have the template section here where you can pretty much go ahead and copy any one of these. Maybe you want to upload a photo, and to get the effect like this, all you have to do is tap on the template here and go ahead and add your image, and you're pretty much good to go. Very, very simple. Down here you have other templates which you can use. All you have to do, guys, select the template that you want, and then once you've selected the template, the upload image will show at the top here, tap on the add a new image, and it will pretty much load up the effect. Simple as that. As well, you have the creation section. You see pretty much everything that I have created will be shown in this section here. And as well, if you're going to generate images in the AI, you're going to use this section here and enter what you want to generate. Down here, you can tap on this option here to select the aspect ratio of the image, the prompt, if you want the prompt to be enhanced, and as well the visibility. So every image that's being generated, if you're not on the pro subscription, it will be shown to other people for them to see. So if you want to be private, maybe you may need to get a subscription as well. How much images you want to generate. As you can see here, I can generate up to 4 images. And you don't need a subscription to generate up to 4 images. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And down here, you also, as I said before, you have the models as well. You can send your voice notes or whatever cases for that. So very, very good and powerful AI application. And if I miss anything at all, guys, just let me know in the comment section. See if you can help you. See you in the next one.